This interview?
Ganong binigay niya na ulit.
Fruits
Di
and
ka kayanin.
vegetables. I like the fruits one. Let's open this. It's already open.
Nivea's for skin.
Mahirap.
Wow.
Paano yan? Bumabiyahe ka pa rin.
Laban pa rin mo.
Kung kulang, di
Bono pa.
Oh,
paano
this
yun?
is a carrot.
Nakikiusap na lang sa operator, ma'am
I
na.
think everyone likes it.
Bawas po na.
Oh, this is
naman.
apple.
Okay lang po, sana naintindihan naman po.
Maraming salamat
Oh,
din
I
sa mga
found something
operators na
here.
pumapayag
Banana.
na bawasan yung boundary ha.
Yeah, pizza. There's
Marami din
pizza.
namang hindi pumapayag, di ba?
Guys, there is pizza.
Mauunawaan mo kasi hirap din
And
naman
this
sila
one is
bilang operator,
strawberry.
mahirap din
I
mag-operate.
all like
Diba?
strawberries for Tangkulu.
So,
And what is this?
paano
Sticker!
na? Ilan ang anak mo?
Yay!
Dalawa po lang.
Look at
Itong
this.
panahon na to na parang gipit na gipit kami.
Ano ba?
Nangungutang kami.
I like this
Laban lang
thing.
tayo.
Galing.
I'm gonna put
Ito na
this
yung
little
alam na
sticker
alam
here.
mo.
Let's place it.
Di ba?
A few moments later. Guys, this is how it turned out. Wow! Let's name this carrot. Let's name this Nila.
Kailangan mo sagutin at kung tama, pasa yun na. Wala pa.
Let's name this strawberry.
Nabalitaan ko, kinukwento sa akin ng mga staff, lately daw, sa hirap ng
Let's
buhay,
call
walang masyadong
this-
nagpapa.
Let's call
Wala.
this
Kasi nga,
apple.
kailangan nila ng
Lappy.
mga pera eh. Kahit
I'm calling
maliit,
this Lappy, guys.
diba,
I'm gonna call
ino-offer
this
natin,
pizza. I'm gonna call
tinatanggap
this
nila agad,
pizza.
dead pa sila sa pack. Ganun kaya ang gagawin ni Ricky. Magkano yung
Pizza
final
Leafy.
offer? Kim and Karel.
I'm gonna name this
Para kay
banana
Kuya Ricky, magkano offer
Balala.
Kiwi mula sa akin.
Look guys, I like this. Let's bring it this. Let's clean this mess up. A few moments later. Wow guys, I clean this up so fast.
Goodbye, 30,000.
Guys, I am going to face reveal in 3, 2, 1. Guys, this is me. I am the one who color the fruits and
Pero tinanggihan mo
vegetables.
siya.
And also the
Ang hangad mo
pizza.
talaga ay
I color the
200,000
carrots,
pesos.
the
Kung
apples,
tinanggap mo yung 30,000, hindi kita
pizza,
mahuhusgahan.
and
At hindi kita
strawberry.
masisisi dahil sadyang mahirap ang
Please
buhay,
like and
malaking tulong na
subscribe
yung 30 mil.
to see more fruit
Manghihinayang kaya tayong
videos.
lahat.
Not
Dahil
joking.
hinintay nyo nga ang 30
I'm
mil.
not gonna make food
O
videos.
magsisigaw.
This is only one. So please like and subscribe.
100,000 pesos.
Please. And also
Ricky,
comment
tatanungin
a
na
red
kita?
heart and a
Wala
blue
kang pwedeng
heart.
tingnan, hindi ka pwedeng
And
magpalingalinga.
mix-
Sa akin ka lang
And
kailangan
say, I will
mag-focus,
mix it to
pakinggan mo ng
purple.
gusto.
Bye bye
Ang aking
guys.
tanong. Strictly, no coaching fees.